work. Does not work on all skin types, so you need to remember which skin is yours.
Where do you think the ball will go?
Maybe
We get 8 runs.
that this will go 9 feet.
All right. So guys, for those of you watching, 9 feet is right here. Okay, this is where it is. Okay, it's all the way. Okay, and this time it went right here. So how many is that, Shane?
Over 5.
All right, let's look
And
specifically.
below 6.
Let's look
Between 5 and 6.
Let's look right here. So what does it say here? I draw a line here.
It says 5 feet.
And how many inches?
64.
Well, that's 64 inches total, but 4 inches. So 5 feet, 4 inches.
No.
It's okay. Is it here?
I can't remember.
Is that right?
I can't tell. It's in the. It doesn't say.
Okay. That's 62 and a half inches, so that's 5 foot 2.5 inches.
Until I move back. Don't shoot until I move back. Okay. Oh.
5 feet 60.
Now just look at the only the red,
See, 5 feet
and then how many inches? So what's the number behind it?
8.
7.
7. Inches. 5 feet 2 inches.
Okay.
Ooh, the farthest one yet.
What was that?
I don't know, come look. So it's between, well, you can just call it to the closest one. It's fine.
76.
4 inches.
Six feet 4 inches.
Ignore him. Keep going. What have you noticed about this?
It keeps going up.
Well, you might be doing something a little bit differently each time.
Okay, I'm ready, Shane.
Red numbers only.
Okay, 5 feet and 10 inches.
Very good. What are we learning? Like the further we put it down, what happens?
The farther it goes.
Yeah. I think it landed in the same place.
Wait, where was that?
Right here. Oh, look. Oh,
5 feet 6 inches.
Yeah.
No.
So even though this says 20, you can launch up to 20 feet. I'm calling nah.
No paparazzi. No paparazzi while I'm recording these.
Did the experiment turn out the way that you wanted?
Yes.
What went well with it?
It's that like the distance.
Yeah?
It just kept on going up.
Did your hypothesis of 9 feet, did you ever get there?
No.
No? Was there anything that you could have done differently?
No.
No?
Nothing.
Are you sure that it was at the same place of the start line every time? Or did it shift back and forth a little bit each time?
I'm sure it was at the start line each time.
In the very same place?
Yes.
Okay. Was the arm the same exact distance down every single run?
Yes.
Yes? So, if you could do this again, what would you do differently?
Definitely myself would try making the start line shorter.
You'd make the start line shorter.
Yeah, I think also it had shorter distance, so like, and that much would make it so the lines actually goes up.
So would you change your hypothesis?
Yeah, I definitely myself would.
And what would your hypothesis be now that you have this information?
Put it, make my hypothesis be so, it is higher.
So you're saying that your guess would be higher than 9 feet?
Yeah.
Even though you never hit 9 feet?
Oh wait, less than 9 feet?
I don't know. It's your hypothesis. A hypothesis is your educated guess. But now that you have data, how would your guess change? That's what I'm asking you.
By making the number go down.
Yeah, so you would estimate that the distance this ball right here could travel would be less than 9 feet?
Yes.
What do you think you need to do to make it go further? Or do you think 5 feet 10 inches is the furthest it can go?
I think 5 feet 10 inches is the farthest it can go.
Okay, and there are no measures you can take to make it go further? Do you think that's the limit?
Yeah, I think limit is 5 feet 10 inches.
Okay. That's your conclusion. 5 feet 10 inches is the max. The instructions say 20 feet is possible, but
Well, it's
we've
only
not been able to
Well,
reproduce
it's only
that.
sometimes. Thanks for guessing with us. See you next time.